Hello everyone, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a nameplate in Madhubani Art Style. To draw a nameplate, first step we are drawing a border and our first gap is 1 centimeter. As we know in Madhubani we have to draw lines in black color. Second, we are leaving the gap in 0.5 centimeter between these two lines. Third, again 1 centimeter. Our main border will come in this 1 centimeter, and fourth is again 0.5 centimeter. So we will draw lines like this on all the four sides. After drawing border on all the four sides, we are taking our scale and marking the distance 1 centimeter so that our design will be smooth. Here, like we learned yesterday, today we are doing U design. In between the two dashes, we are doing U design, and you will fill color of your choice in the U. So now in the corners, we are going to give a small 4-petal flower. So we have done the border's base work, and now we are going to start drawing the bird. So please everyone see carefully what we have to do. To draw a bird, first take any lid from your kitchen or from anywhere and draw one circle. Okay, then show a beak of the bird. Then show 3 lines and dots. This is step number 1. Now start from here. Second and third, and here is the 4th line. Now bring this line straight here and this curve here, and show the tail of the bird. This bird is sitting on the branch of a tree, which we will draw now. Show 2 feet of the bird and show some crooked branch. This is Madhubani, so everything has to be double line. We will double line everything. So this is our basic design of bird. We have started making the border. In the upper one, we have filled light blue color, and we'll wait for this one to dry. Now here I'm using cobalt blue color. You can use any blue, whichever you have at home. And I'm giving khadi kachni. Just drawing khadi kachni. Take very less paint in your brush. And third layer is a darker shade which we are going to use on in the last row. We are going to fill in the triangles. You can see this, it will look like this. Can you all see these 3 shades of blue? You can use any 3 shades, whichever you have. Okay, I'm using the shades of blue. You can use shades of yellow, orange, green, whatever you like. It's your choice. So in Madhubani tree, we have to draw the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number you can take after some distance. Now we have to double the outline of tree also. So this much work is done. Now in this we are giving some design. Simple design. Design on the bird. We are drawing a semicircle here. Double line the semicircle. Another semicircle. 3 petals, just 3 petals. And here these petals, then one more semicircle, and here we can have either triangles or we can have U shape, any design. Here I am drawing mehrab. This is the neck part which has to be decorated very well. So in this we have U and another U inside the U, and here we have tirchi kachni. Now the feathers. In the feathers we are drawing tirchi kachni, first one. Second one we have changed the direction. And here simple lines. Now again this is going up and this will come down. So basically we have used the tirchi kachni, and here I have drawn the tail. So our bird's body is ready. Yellow color work is over. The next color which I am going to use is actually pinkish shade. This pink, it's how to describe it? In Hindi, what we call gajari rang. Okay, so here. Completed now. I am just giving the border. Our painting is complete now. We will write the name here. Whatever you want to write, your surname or children's name or anything. Like I have written Dayan's, and you can change the border design. You can change the color scheme, whatever you like. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Thank you for liking and subscribing Vandana's art. Thank you. Bye.